welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share Turkish poached eggs. Turkish breakfast. It's quick, easy and looks fancy for a home breakfast or brunch. In a mixing bowl, you can add room temperature Greek yogurt, salt, garlic cloves minced, whisk it well, and then you can transfer this yogurt to the serving bowl and set aside. Bring a medium saucepan full of water to a gentle simmer. Small bubbles, not boiling. Stir in the vinegar and salt, and then you can gently slide each egg into the water. You can reduce the heat low and cook for like 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set but the yolks remains runny. You can remove the eggs using a slotted spoon carefully. Lift the poached eggs from the water and place them on a plate. You can place the poached eggs on top of the yogurt. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you can add 1 teaspoon olive oil. Add half teaspoon paprika powder and half teaspoon red pepper flakes and turn off the heat and give it a stir. You can spoon the spiced buttery sauce over the eggs. Then you can sprinkle with flaky salt and garnish with fresh chopped parsley leaves. You can serve immediately with your favorite bread. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.